Hello students, welcome to E-Class at Kadaria, class 7 standard, topic on Monday morning. So part 1, adapted from The Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. So before entering into the story, I will give the short introduction about the autobiography of Mark Twain. So Mark Twain was born on November 30, 1835 in Florida, Missouri. Samuel Logan Clemens wrote under the pen name Mark Twain, and went on to pen several novels, including two major classics of American literature, The Adventure of Tom Sawyer and The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. He was also a riverboat pilot, journalist, lecturer, entrepreneur, and inventor. So Twain died on April 21st, 1910 in Redding, Connecticut. So Monday morning is an extract from The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. So he is considered one of the greatest work American literature, partly because it reflects so perfectly the culture of 1800s America. So in this extract, only few characters. The first one is Tom. So Tom was 8-year-old boy and he is a very naughty under the care of Aunt Polly. So and the next character, Sid. Sid is Tom's brother and also his room partner. So next character is Aunt Polly. So he is a strict lady who is taking care of all the children. And Mary. The last character is Mary. Mary is Tom's cousin. Let's see the story. It is the Monday morning, which is the first day of the school in the week. So Tom is supposed to get ready for school Monday. So the word, it's a terrible word. It is for adults. So who is going to office? Because the past 2 days, the Saturday and Sunday, they enjoyed a lot. So next day, they have to go by walk on Monday. So they have to go work. So most of the people didn't like Monday morning. Likewise, Tom hated going to school on Monday. So he wants to stay at home to enjoy the day by playing. So he starts thinking to avoid go to school. So he is being on the bed for a long time. So he doesn't want to go to school. So Monday always began the new week. So Tom always tried a way to avoid the routine, but for not going to school. So he has to produce a valid reason. Otherwise, he will be sent to the school by his aunt. So he gets an idea to pretend as he is suffering from an ailment. So at first Tom tries to convey that he has severe stomach pain. So, but he feels that this idea doesn't work well. So, then he has a loose tooth. But he decides not complain about it. So, because Aunt Polly well polite, then he remember that he has sore toe. So, paining toe. So, he begins to start paining. So, he started and at the morning, he started paining. So, his half-brother, Sid, he is sleeping too loudly to notice Tom shakes on his deathbed. So, Sid wakes up and asking, Tom, what happened to you? Are you okay? So, Tom says everything. Suddenly, Sid runs to get their aunt. So Aunt Polly is along until Tom explains that his toe is paining through his action. So she understands the matter and she lost instead of helping him. So Tom exaggerates his pain. So and uses the wrong word. So making Aunt Polly to giggle. So the interaction somebody can affect to one another is a ridiculous action. So, and in the time, the Tom's first drama turns out failure. So the next, Tom get another idea to avoid to go to school. So Tom's one of the upper teeth is really loose. So but he has no pain of it. So however, the Tom loose tooth is pain. So he is telling that his upper tooth hurting. So even a more on declares that tooth should removed at first. So Tom is terrified, the protesting the tooth does not hurt and he will be go to school. Aunt Polly asks Tom's cousin Mary to bring the silk of thread and chunk of fire immediately. On seeing them, Tom understands that Aunt Polly going to do the most useful act to control his toothache. So Tom started requesting her to leave him, to promises that he will never try to stay away from the school. But Aunt Polly turns a deaf ear towards appearance. So she makes one end of the silk thread fast to tooth in and asks to tooth. She takes a chunk of fire and thrusts it down near to the Tom's face. When Tom opened the face, rapidly the painful tooth is removed. So now he asks excuse to get ready for the school. So Tom's failure dramas are coming to the end. So the behavior of small children, the first day school in a week. So beautifully depicted by Mark Twain in the Extract. So that is why the extract from the famous work. So Tom Sawyer considered very interesting. So hope everyone enjoy the story and thank you for staying with me end of this video. Take care. Have a nice day.